Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Iris shaders into Minecraft 1.21.5. So first of all, you want to go to CurseForge, for example, and press on Files when you will find Iris shaders. Now you will see that there's different game versions, so you want to choose this one, of course. And as you can see, there's Fabric and NeoForge. So you want to choose the mod loader you use. So for example, I use Fabric, so I'm just going to go ahead and download this version. So you're going to press these three dots and press download the file. Now, what you also need to install the Iris shaders is Sodium. So again, go on the files, find the version with the Fabric loader. Again, press on three dots and download the file. Another thing you need is some shaders. So I'm just going to choose BSL ones. And again, you need to find the newest game version, but you can just basically press download because it will be with the latest version. So again, download the file. So another thing you need, if you have downloaded the Fabric, you need a Fabric installer. Now, once you will have all of those, you want to go ahead and install the Fabric installer. And you just want to make sure that it is the same version as your Sodium and Iris shaders. So just make sure it is this version. After you have installed the Fabric loader, you want to go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. Here you want to click on installations right there, the second button, and you want to find your Fabric loader which was installed. Now you want to press open installations folder. After you've done that, you will see your mods folder. You want to open it and you want to go ahead and add your Iris shaders. So here it is. You want to go ahead and drag it there. And then you want to drag your Sodium, just like so. Now you need to go ahead and play the game. After that, press on Options, Video Settings, Shader Packs, and here you will see Shader Packs. You want to open the Shader Pack folder. And as you can see, I already added my BSL shaders, but basically you're just gonna add it here like so. And all you need to do now is press on the shaders, apply. And here you have it. Now your Iris shaders are installed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.